in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload journals, spiral journals, to Printful.com to sell on Etsy.com. So first, you do have to make two accounts, which is Etsy.com, and then you also have to make an account for Printful.com. So the first step is to actually go to Printful.com, make an account. On the left-hand side, you're going to see this part where it says Stores. Click on Stores, and then after that, you're going to press Product. So we're at Add Products. So now what we're going to do is look for the spiral journal. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm just going to look through the home and living and let's see if it's in there. So I see under home and living, if you go to stationery, it says notebooks. So once you click on notebooks, you're going to see the spiral notebook. Printful only has one kind of notebook so far, so it's just a spiral notebook. So what you're going to do is click on it. After that, you're going to click on drop your design here and you're just going to upload your file. So I uploaded my file, and as you can see here, it's white background and it's really hard to see the fonts. So what I'm going to do now is change the background color. Since the fonts are a little bit hard to see, I'm going to go to the bottom, and on the bottom you're going to see print area background. So I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to click black. So after that, I'm going to adjust the fonts. So let's see, I'm going to grab the text and then I'm going to align it. So once you have it aligned, you want to click on proceed to mockups. From here, you can choose the mockup style. You just have to choose the one you want. I'm going to choose a second one. After that, you want to click on proceed to details. So for this part, you just have to put a product title. For this example, I'm going to put the title of the text I put. Since we're uploading to Etsy, you're going to notice a tag section. You can do the tags right now on Printful, or you can do it on Etsy. For this example, I'm just going to leave it, and I'm just going to do this on Etsy.com. For product sections, you can leave this alone. After that, press proceed to pricing. And then for this part, the prices, you can just put any price that you want. For me, I'm going to just do 10%. So this looks correct to me. And then I'm going to click submit to store. So once you go to Etsy.com, you want to go to your account, click on the listings, and then go to the draft area. And after that, you're going to see your design pop up right here. So this is the professional eater. So this is the product. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this gear icon here, click on it, press edit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill out the blanks. So here we go. So first you got to do the photos. I already put the photo for this one already from the mockup. If you want to put another photo, you can add a photo here. For the next section, you can put video. You can add a video here. I do recommend a video if you have one. After that, you want to go to title. You definitely want to use keywords for your title, but try to use relative keywords. For the next part, you want to go to about this listing. For this one, I did a finished product, and I put 2020 to 2021. For category, I'm going to leave it as journals and notebooks. For primary color, I'm going to put black. For the secondary color, I'm just going to leave that blank. For occasion, I'm just going to leave it blank. Holidays blank. For renewal, I'm going to do automatic because I want to automatically renew it. For the description, you want to put a nice description. So just fill out the description and customize it for your customers. For the production partners, I'm going to put Printful because that's where it's from. For tags, you want to fill out the tags as best as you can for keywords. For materials, I'm going to leave that blank. For price, I'm going to leave it as it is because that's what I set it in Printful. For quantity, I put 999 just to say that this is the amount I have. I'm going to skip variations. I'm going to skip personalization. And for shipping, I want to do free. So I'm going to click on this one right here for free shipping. And then for customs information, I'm just going to leave that blank. I'm going to skip item weight and I'm going to skip item size. I'm also going to skip preview shipping price. After that, you want to go to the bottom and press publish.